Yes, I know the liquidity event is over, and now you're probably asking yourself, what should I do next? Because the liquidity event is over, and also the virtual event of Shiba that's also came to an end today as well. And you're probably thinking, okay, what do I really think about all this right now? And I'm going to give you my thoughts on what I think that is possibilities of things you can do and the things I'm thinking about doing as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, on the official Twitter page of Shiba, it was said this: it is time. Liquidity event is over. The bone minting was greatly reduced to 90 bones per block. This speed is going to be reduced monthly. So yes, that's going to be reduced. But here is the thing that I really got my attention about. What should happen next? What's the next strategy and all that jazz? Only 250 million will be minted, and that's talking about bone here. And this here gave me a little bit of a thought and also more of a strategy, and is the key to participating in our DAO system. So right there, you're probably thinking, what should I do? I don't know what to do. I'm brand new. I have this, I have that. For me personally, I am focused on getting more bone. Because of that right there, only 250 million will be ever minted. So I went straight to my Shiba Swap account and I looked and see, okay, I've got 465 bones buried. Is that a lot? Well, to me, I want to get more. Now, that's not including what's unwoofed, which is 201. And plus, I've got more bone being actually unwoofed on some other accounts. So I'm thinking here, so I need to get more bones. So that's the thing I'm going to focus on more now, is burying more bone and digging for more bone. So that's can be two things I'm really focused on. Now, for yourself, you have to look at your portfolio and look at what your plans are. I'm not giving financial advice. I just can't do that. But I'm trying to get you to start thinking about what your goal is. If this person's saying it's only 250 million ever be minted, that lets me know, okay, the more bone I have, and then when that price moves up, because right now the price is only $3 and it got as high as $70. That lets me know I've got, let's see, if you have 465 plus 200 just on this account of the buried bone account area. If I got in 465 plus 201, that's 666. Oh, that's the number there, 666. So if I times that by the current price, that is 1998. So think about this. Let's say bone gets back to $70, which I believe it will. So I have 465 plus 201, so I got 666 again. I times that by 70, $46,000. $46,000, $46,620. I just, oh my goodness. Because remember, it got as high as $70. That's how much that will be worth. $46,000. Now that's life-changing for some people, for a lot of people. If you got $46,000, that will definitely get my attention as well. So that got my attention that, okay, when the price goes up, which I believe it will in time, not financial advice, I'm going to be prepared to be making some moves. Absolutely. So I'm going to be focused on burying bone and digging for more bone. Now, the other announcement that ended today was the Shiba Virtual Party. What did I think about this? Well, two things. One, I think it was really good that we all got together. The Shiba community, the Shiba army was able to get together in one or two spots, either on this, and I also streamed it on my channel as well. But it was good to be in one or a couple of spots talking, get to know each other. So it was good for the community. I thought that was good. And the music was fine. I think Gareth Gareth did a good job of really doing this DJ, and he's really well known in other parts of this world. So he's got a really good thing going on his own situation. But the thing I think I really wish they would have done was that would maybe some type of announcement or something else interactive, something else going on. But I understand that they probably waiting later on to announce more things. So I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. But that's the only thing. I wish there was some type of announcement or something, but that's fine. There's gonna be more announcement, I think, in my opinion, later on. So we just gotta be patient and continue following little clues like this. 250 million would ever be minted, and also you going back to your own portfolio and really trying to strategize on what you're going to do. For me, I'm going to be focused on getting more bone because I like the APR and the APY. I do like that. And also I just think that's one of the things where I think I want to focus on more. And of course, you can never have more Shiba in you, to be honest with you. You can never have more Shiba. So that's what I'm going to focus on, is getting more bone, and also it's just being ready for the next type of announcements. So if it's going to be relisting on Coinbase or anything like that, I just want to be prepared for it. And of course, I will be delivering a video and let you know my thoughts on what possibilities that a person can do or what I'm thinking about doing. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. I'm focused on trying to get more bone and also trying to get more LEASH and Shiba as well, and continue growing. And one more thing I want to show you. This is my Bonefolio account. It is growing. It's $949 on the profit, but I'm looking to grow this even higher. And so I'm going to look at certain positions on what I can take advantage of in terms of the pool and the bearing. I'm more focused on bearing a little bit more because I feel like that is something where I can really take advantage of the opportunity. So I'm going to do that as well. So I hope everything goes well with you. I think things are going good. We just got to be patient. Okay, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for liking this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.